Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon, click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. Monday, August 23rd, 4:06 p.m. New York time. The U.S. stock markets are closed. Lots of new highs in the markets today. So let's start off looking at the equity indexes, and we'll use the candles that are the weekly to see if we took out the high of last week, as well if we made an all-time new high. Let's see where leadership is. S&P 500, the go-to stock index. The institutional investors try to equal or outperform, and many of them fail. Look at that. For the week, it's not done yet, but we already took out the week high of last week, and we're at an all-time new high. Outstanding, good leadership. It's your investment money with your mutual fund or your own single stock ETFs doing equal or better than that. Outstanding. Look at this. Nasdaq 100, all-time new high. Took out the high of last week, and again, all-time new high. Good leadership, Nasdaq 100. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, yellow candle. We didn't take out the high of last week, nor did we make an all-time new high this week. The struggle is real. Them boomers. Russell 2000, yep, also inside candle. Did not take out the high of last week, nor the low. Way off the highs for the year. But again, it's above a demand zone. Trade idea. I shared it with my Patreon members. The Dow Transports, inside candle, way off the highs. Yep, struggling. The Dow Utilities, inside candle, nor did we take out the high of last week, which was the all-time high. Be very concerning. This is going higher. It's in a trend to the upside. It's in a consolidation, and it pays dividends, not type of what you expect as growth. Very interesting. Something's got to give, either the Nasdaq or the Dow Utilities. Let's go look at bonds, because when bonds are paying high interest rates, people want that. If we think interest rates are going to stay low, we should see the bonds and notes going lower. So here we have the 30-year bond. Momentum's been up, means yields are going lower, interest rates are going lower. So we didn't take out the high of last week, but the momentum is still to the upside from the 30-year bond. That means interest rates are expected to still stay low. You're not going to make much on a fixed income investment. CDs, bonds, money markets, got it? Notes. The 10-year. If we're looking at the 10-year. Inside candle, we didn't take out the high yet. It's in a consolidation phase here. Not trending as well as the 30-year. And the 5-year note. Yep, inside. Well, we did take out the low of last week, but back inside of last week. So it's in a consolidation phase. Here's the high for the beginning of the year too. But clearly, looking here at the 30-year, which has the most volume per all these fixed income financial instruments here, this is trending, and it has not been showing strength or sorry, does not show weakness here yet. Nope. So the takeaway is the growth is still where it's at, the growth stocks. Okay, let's look at the S&P sectors. Who made all-time highs this week? Who took out the high of last week? XLK, outstanding, all-time new high. Gapped up, took out the high of last week, outstanding. XLV made a higher high, took out the high last week, but closing red so far for the week. Wow, so that's already selling off. On the first day, made a new high for the new week and already selling off. XOF, the financial stocks, inside candle. Nope, didn't take out the high of last week. The banks. XLV, inside candle too. Way off the highs, there's a high for the year. They're certainly struggling. XLC, made a higher high than last week, outstanding, just shy of breaking the all-time high again. XLI, small trading range, very small, and inside the range of last week. Nope, it has not made an all-time high since all the way back here. XLP. Last week was the all-time high. We didn't take it out. Small trading range inside the range of last week. XLE. Inside the range of last week. Yep, here's the all-time high. So still going down near the low of the year. XLU. Wow. Just shy of all-time high here for the year. Just like the utility index I showed you. XLRE. Inside candle from last week. Again, XLRE is real estate. Are you surprised it's up here? XLB, inside candle. So as soon as we hit that red demand zone, yep, that following week here, made a lower low, lower high. So be concerned here. If we don't take out the high of last week, we might just continue doing a rollover going lower, lower, lower. Since the high was all the way back there. Okay, now let's go into the Faang stock, the Faang Plus. Again, same thing, each candle's a week, and since Monday, it's not completed yet. But looking at Apple, Apple made an all-time high last week, and we're inside that range last week. We haven't taken it out yet. Microsoft also almost took out the all-time high. Look at that, but we're still inside the range of last week. Amazon, no, far away. Here's the all-time high for the year. Here's the all-time low for the year, and we're inside the range of last week. Facebook also inside the range of last week. Google all-time new high, strong like bull. Tesla took out the high of last week, but didn't take out the high of the year yet. It's interesting. Consolidation, breakout to the upside, consolidation, break up to the upside. They made a higher high that week and roll over back inside. So maybe we have buyers stepping in over here, holding this up. Yeah. So trade ideas have been down here, sharing them with you as bull put spreads. November Victor Delta Alpha, all-time new high, strong like bull. Outstanding. Yep, all-time high for the year. Took out the high of last week. Netflix did take out the high of last week, which last week had that huge up move. Yeah, like a bullish engulfing candle here. So here's the high for the year. We have not taken out, but showing pure strength to the upside here still. Alibaba, Bravo Alpha, Bravo Alpha. Yep, new low for the year and took out the low of last week. Not good leadership. But who's buying it down here? Who's buying them down here? That's not leadership. Nope. Okay, let's just look a bit further back. And here's the low of last year. You think we're going to go sometime lower this year. We still got this range right here. So maybe this will bounce a small amount, but still projected on a downward trend. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. Let me know what you thought about this video, and please let me know what you want to see next. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel. By going below and clicking on my PayPal link, you can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe.